guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shivani and this is my channel where I create beauty and skincare content. Do you see anything new? No? My hair! I chopped my hair on my own and I feel so much myself because I'm always used to having a short hair, but because of the lockdown and my hair really grows very fast, I was not just feeling myself, so I just chopped it off. Now I feel completely myself. I just love having a short hair. I can't take care of long hair. Random information. Okay. Today I'm going to create this look for all of you. This is my go-to easy nude kind of makeup look. What I really like about this look is that it's very versatile, be it a casual lunch or an event in the night, be it a formal setup or some family function. You just pair it up with the right attire and you're good to go. My favorite setup for this kind of look has to be like the formal setup because this makeup look is very clean, very sharp, very structured and very sculpted. So what I think is that people really take you seriously when you look like that. Also, when I have to say I mean business, this is how I want to look like. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's quickly do it together. But before that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel right away and do not forget to hit that bell icon because you guys don't want to miss out on anything. Now, without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my skin. I've already applied a lot of moisturizer. Now what I'm going to apply is the primer. So I'm taking Swiss Beauty primer that I always use and I've been really liking it. I'm just applying it in the areas where I have like open pores. Now I'm going to apply the foundation. For foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is 128 Warm Nude. I'm taking my sponge to blend the foundation. Push the foundation on your skin and not really drag it. Just tap, 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 tap. Next, I'm going to apply the concealer. For concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Sand. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, on the areas where I have like all these scars for now, and I will blend it. I like to push my concealer up so that it gives like a little elevated look to your eyes. Now I'm going to set the base with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm in the shade 15 Light. I'm going to take some on my big powder brush and then set my base. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows, which is like the most difficult part of makeup for me at least. So I'm using the Fashion Brow Cake for your eyebrows. This is really good and I've been using it for quite some time now. Just filling in some gaps and trying to give life to my lifeless eyebrows right now. I haven't gotten them done in like 8 months now. I've been only shaving them on my own and apparently I'm not an expert. Now I'm going to contour my face. To contour my face, I'm using the My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. I recently got it and I've fallen in love with it. It is just so good. I'll just show you guys. It has 2 shades. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to contour slightly above my natural shadow line so that the makeup does not look droopy. So this is the trick that I learned recently, and that way your makeup will not look droopy and your face does not look fallen. I'm just going to bronze this part a bit. I'm going to contour my jawline also a bit. Now to contour my nose, I'm taking the same bronzer and the eyeshadow brush, and again following my natural shadow from here. Just blend it with the big contour brush. Since it's a nude, like a very easy kind of look, I'm not going to go deep into my eyes. I'm just going to define it and I'm just going to let it be. So I'm using my favorite bronzer as a base for my eyeshadow. This is something that I always do, like most of the times. I'm applying it on my crease, defines it so well. Sorry about the little glitch with the sound. Now I'm going to define my eyes a little bit more. I'm going to use this palette from Palladio. It's a bronzer and blush palette. I'm just going to take some bronzer, this one, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. It has that little glitter which will make my eyes look awake, I think. Okay, now I'm taking a flat brush and the same bronzer to highlight my lower lids. I really like all these products, you know, which are multi-purpose, that you can use in so many ways. It just saves you on so many things, on so much time, so many products, so much money. If you can really use all these products wisely, you can do so much with so less products, is what I think. I really like to mix and match, and I really like to use one product in so many different ways. Okay, now on that note, I'm going to apply the mascara on my eyelash. I'm using the Color Bar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. I'm using the lengthening part first. Sound is an issue today, sorry. Lot of noise. Okay, I'm going to apply the same lengthening part on my lower lashes also. Now I'm going to take the volumizing part and apply. Give some volume to my lashes. I don't like falsies. I can't wear falsies. I need to train myself first to be an expert to wear falsies. I just freak out even at the thought of applying the false lashes. It just scares the shit out of me. Can't. Now I'm going to apply the blush. For blush, I'm using again my Glam Pose HD Blush Duo. I'm going to apply the coral one today. What a lovely, pretty color, no? I'm in love with my Glam products. I have ordered quite a few of them, like some lipsticks and the bronzer and the blush. They are just so amazing. No matter how nude the look may be, I need some color with my blush for sure. Okay, now I'm going to apply the highlighter, and of course I'm applying the highlighter from my Sugar Contour Day palette. It's a beautiful highlighter. I just love it so much. My hair is in a mess. Oh. so amazing. We come to the lips and I'm taking my Provoke lip liner. This is in the shade Cinnamon and Sugar. Just going to line my lips. Now for my lips, I'm going to apply the My Glam LIT liquid matte lipstick. I've ordered quite a few of them and they're just so good. This is in the shade Stashing and I'll just take some and apply. Ooh. Love this color. This is so good. Now I'm going to apply the Booty Call shade just here. That's it. Isn't it nice? I think it is quite nice. I really like this look. Okay, now I'm going to seal everything with my makeup fixer. I'm using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Done! That's it! That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love.